Check 2.
Hey Rich, what are we doing?
3.
Bike work, I guess, for another Robbie Sucks episode. We'll see. Carburetors.
Check it out. Alright guys, last time we saw the BSA, we had mocked up the sides. It looks like we're gonna cut them out today. Also, we got a pipe bender, which is pretty cool because we've got our new tail light and rear end here. We're thinking we're gonna try to weld it, mount it up something like this. We'll figure that out. And I also have carburetors, which are in that box across the way there under the blue cowl. Sweet. So we're looking at either mounting like this, which with the cowl on it, let's see, where's the cowl go? About right there? Yeah. Hey Rich, you mind holding this cowl just like right there for a second?
Yeah, do something.
Yeah.
Besides drink beer. Because it is New Year's.
New Year's. You're lucky you're
Yeah, I don't think that looks too bad. Obviously we'll probably cut some loops into the hole spots here so it sits a little better, but no, that's pretty good. And from a side profile, we got Martin, but yeah, no, I still think that looks good.
Yeah.
What was that, Martin?
Safety squints.
Safety
Don't do
squints.
this at home. Yeah.
You're not
If you
trying
do,
home.
you'll be blind. So anyways.
Little tech. Here we go.
Okay.
Oh. Making fireworks, boys. Fireworks.
That's hot. Oh, that's hot.
Is it? No,
Try
yeah.
this at home.
Yes.
Okay, you should hold.
Got him!
Now through the shoe. Okay, that's a good tap.
All right.
Okay. Yay.
Good job, Mark. New carburetor for the win. Don't worry, we have another one for the other side, but this was a gift from the wife. Thanks, babe. Love you. But yeah, these are 30 mils for the 650 here on the BSA. I believe these came from eBay. I will go ahead and put the tag where you can get them right there. So you'll see it.
I said a twist for me, baby, hit a whip for me, baby. Take another shot, get a lick for me, baby. Hooey! It's a 1:45. What you want to do? Come tell me, come trip down.
Whoa! There we go. All right, so we're going back and forth on the design here. This is the original airbox that goes on the bike, and we'd rather make it more functional. So it sits up about, oh no. Well, you'll get an idea. It sits up about this high, and the carburetors, by the way, new carbs, go into the box here, and obviously it pulls air in, and there's filters on the backside here, and then it goes, and it looks pretty smooth with the back here, and it would be an enclosed area, or we can try to do what we've been talking about. And we cut out some templates for some sheet metal But
We have the one template.
we've got a template here, and we thought about doing this, right, and getting rid of that box altogether and putting something like this along the line here, and then just running open filters for the carbs. I mean, either or. I'm kind of mixed on both, because if we want to go this route, we've determined that we're going to have to build an entire custom box from here back to cover up the battery area. So the battery sits in this tray here. As you can see, we have our inner fender, and then we build a way to kind of block this up. But if we go with the stock air box and make this a little more functional, paint it to match, maybe it wouldn't be too bad. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to take this box home, and I'm probably going to clean it up and play with the paint a little bit and see if I come up with something I like. I don't know. Or we could always go custom fabbing. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Happy New Year, right? Hey, 2024. It's right around the corner. As always, guys, we love you. We're going to keep working on the BSA. Probably going to take it home, do some mock-ups, see what I can come up with. If I like it, I like it. If not, then we build a custom box and we take the time out. So.
Well, that's a nice thing about doing custom stuff. If you don't like it, you can tear it out and start all over again.
We sure can. We can tear it out and start all over again.
The first time.
Would not be the first time. Anyway, like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. If you're feeling good, feeling happy, want to bring in some cool stuff on 2024, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. Maybe get yourself a sweet hat or something. Anyway, I love you. It's okay to suck. Just don't give up, and we'll see you next time. Peace. You gotta say Happy New Year, right?
Happy New Year. Hopefully it's better.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well.